Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify inventory accuracy with SkuVault detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Shopify inventory accuracy with SkuVault, start by logging into your SkuVault account. Next, navigate to the inventory dashboard. Here, you can view your current inventory status across all locations. Identify discrepancies between SkuVault and your Shopify store. To adjust these discrepancies, go to the Adjust Inventory section in SkuVault. Select the items that need adjustments. Check the quantity on hand in SkuVault against your Shopify listings. If a correction is necessary, input the correct quantities in SkuVault. After making necessary adjustments, confirm your changes. Next, sync your inventory data with Shopify by navigating to the Integrations section. In the Integrations area, select Shopify and click on the Sync Now button. This will update your Shopify listings to reflect the most accurate inventory counts. Once the sync is complete, return to your Shopify account. Check the product listings to ensure inventory levels are accurate. If everything looks correct, run a test order to confirm that inventory updates occur in real time. If you encounter issues, revisit SkuVault to ensure that stock levels are correctly set and synced. Regularly schedule periodic audits to maintain inventory accuracy. Consider integrating automated alerts for low inventory levels to prevent discrepancies in the future. By following these steps, you can effectively restore and maintain your Shopify inventory accuracy with SkuVault. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.